I was young, restless, and foolish. Though my father loved me deeply, I demanded my share of his wealth. "Father," I said, "give me the portion of goods that belongs to me." He looked at me, not with anger but sorrow. Still, he divided his estate between me and my brother. I didn't realize then what I was walking away from. With riches in my hands, I journeyed far from home, far from wisdom. I lived wildly, chasing pleasure, wasting every coin on parties and empty friendships. They called me free, but I was enslaved to my own desires. Then came the famine. Not just in the land, but in my soul. I had nothing. No food, no shelter, no friends. I begged for work and was sent to feed pigs. For a Jew like me, it was shame beyond words. One day, starving and broken, I stared at their slop and wished I could eat it. That's when I came to myself. How many of my father's hired servants have bread enough to spare, I thought, and here I am dying with hunger? I said to myself, I will arise and go to my father. Not as a son, but as a servant. I had forfeited sonship. I rehearsed my words, "Father, I have sinned. I am not worthy." But while I was still a great way off, my father saw me. He ran. Not with judgment, but with tears and open arms. Before I could finish my speech, he embraced me. I said, "Father, I have sinned." He shouted to the servants, "Bring the best robe. Put a ring on his hand, shoes on his feet. Kill the fattened calf. For my son was dead and is alive again." There was music in the house again, because I had come home. Not as a slave, but as a son. Forgiven, restored, loved. But not everyone rejoiced. My brother stood outside angry. He had served faithfully, never left, but never truly understood our father's heart. My father pleaded with him, "All that I have is yours, but it was right to celebrate, for your brother was lost and is found." I was lost. I was dead. But my father, my Abba, received me. Now I live not by what I deserve, but by his mercy. And if you are far from home, there is a father still watching the road. Come home. He will run to you too.